thing is like, you cannot get it stuck.
I thought the snow hit the bottom.
I'm waiting for you to fucking hit your own track.
It's gonna go over and right through the fence.
Yeah. He's just moving. He's like, yeah, I don't want to get destroyed. Thanks, sir.
Phone call up front.
Plowing. That's nice. I'm gonna go backward?
That wheel falls off. I'm gonna be. Goddamn!
DJ, get the tow truck!
The front end is barely touching the ground. Nothing else is spinning.
One of them in the front, I think, is.
Oh, we can sit in the back seat. Do whatever you need to do. Look how it's wobbling. Do whatever you need to do.
It was doing like 120 going backwards.
Yeah,
The tire's about flat. It was on
Well,
the limiter.
This one over here is doing this.
It was on the limiter.
We need TJ, Steve, and
Get up there.
Danny.
Sit in the back.
Who's driving?
Yeah, who the
Oh,
fuck is
right.
driving?
Danny, I think if we both push from up here, we can get it up.
Over Nina?
Yeah, you're fucked for sure now.
This side is.
The floor came up. My fucking feet under the seat. It was like burnt rubber and asparagus in there. Alright, that's where she's staying.
Good?
Good.
I guess that's where it's done. There. Greg.
Don't show Mike.
All right.
Forgot what I was supposed to say.
I do it right here with these nice wheels in the background. Ready? We're gonna do it together. What are we doing?
See you next time.
We're gonna go. See you next time. Okay, stand there and look professional. Okay. All right, guys. See you next time.
I wasn't ready.
You gotta fucking say you're ready.
Oh, I was sucking it in.
Oh.
He should be the one that says ready, not you.
Okay,
It's
yeah.
like doing a roll race and you count and get the advantage.
That's what I do. All right, on three. Go. All right, ready? You gotta say ready.
All right. One.
Are we gonna turn? Are we turning? Yeah, we're.
Why am I fired?
Because you went to the gas station and got him a monster, and apparently you asked everyone else if they wanted a monster. You know who you didn't
Yes.
ask?
You,
You didn't ask me.
you weren't even fucking here.
Doogie, how many times did I call you and say, hey man, we're about to go get lunch, what do you want?
I thought you were getting a prostate exam.
How many times does that happen?
I thought you were putting monsters.
No, I was putting this place if Doogie doesn't give you a goddamn monster.
It's like
Yeah.
No.
Uh,
I want a skinny person monster, even though I'm a fat person. I don't want this, zero that. I'm here for a good time, not a long time.
I feel that.
Last time I asked you, oh yeah, it's okay. We're going to Taco Bell today, and I'm not telling you when. Like, oh my God, these potatoes are so
Did
good.
you do that to us with Taco Bell last time?
Yeah, Doogie did that last time. That's why his last punch was fired. Because he went and got Taco Bell, didn't ask anyone if they wanted anything. He's going to get fired before he realizes what he's doing. And then he's going to have to go get ice cream, and he has to ask everybody.
Maybe he just wants ice cream.
I mean, that could be. Doogie wants ice cream that
Fast
bad
path to ice cream, yeah.
that he's willing to get fired to go get it.
You know the definition of insanity?
Yes.
Keep doing the same thing over and over and expecting a different result.
That's
But
Doogie.
You
eventually,
got your phone and it's still an iPhone.
What'd you do with your old phone? You traded it in?
cotter pin laundering money.
No, this is illegal.
Yeah,
Look at that. That's what I was looking for.
highly.
2,000.
You get them wheat pennies.
I'm sure there's at least one in there. Don't be touching my money.
He's got it all locked up in the safe.
Put a padlock on there now. Huh? Yeah. You didn't steal my dollar, did you? I said I gotta watch that. Yeah, I stole it.
Ew. Ew. Gonna use more soap than what it's worth.
$2 worth of soap to clean my dollar.
This is the current state of my prototype gauge cluster that I've been working on for my Corrado. It runs off a pair of PIC32 microcontrollers. These are electroluminescent display panels, so these were actually available in 1990, so this display technology is period correct for the vehicle. This talks to Megasquirt over CAN bus. Oh, it looks so nice.
Yeah, we're gonna have to trim these top faces. They got a little oversized on us, so take us a few minutes to get that. But there again, another thing I'm wanting to do about when I thought I didn't think that big a deal.
Do a burnout. Alright, let's do burnout. I'm surprised it.
One was.
I'm surprised it lights the tires.
The what?
I'm surprised it lights the tires.
Oh, yeah. Fucking 5-0, folks. Leave her running.
Leave it running.
I think actually does okay
So customer bought this. We put a clutch in it. Customer put 1,500 miles on it. And this clutch is pooched.
It's a junk.
Look at the heat marks on that. It's past the rivets.
I mean, there still is friction material. You just got to get past the rivet part now.
There's a kid that got this, and the customer's parents are convinced that the kid doesn't drive hard and has not abused this in any way whatsoever.
But he bought a Cobb and put it on it after he bought it. Yep. Hank Williams is gone now. Hank Williams is gone.
So they refused to pay to put another clutch in it, so we're putting the smoked clutch back in. It's about as dumb as it gets. Is that where all my lost packages went?
Yeah, right in here.
Wrong way!
It's mailbox. This motherfucker's always sending the mail.
Fucking with Ron back there.
Where'd it go?
IKEA! Yeah. Doogie loves furniture.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Yeah, that's their name, IKEA.
Like, this is my comfortable stance right here.
Okay, now grab a side.
Are we going up?
We're gonna hook it on the engine hoist.
And now put me on the left.
Get the forklift.
Yeah. What is that?
No, if it was they gotta get up.
You gotta go over now. No, you gotta go up.
I can't.
Yeah, you can. There's no way. Claude did it.
Put your arms straight up.
How am I supposed to grab it?
Well, we can do it.
Oh, damn.
Suck your boobs in.
I do have nice pecs.
You got back titties.
Okay, yeah, we'll call him Pex.
Yeah, do one shoulder at a time.
There you go.
Dang.
There ain't no way in hell I'm doing that.
Look at that. There ain't no way.
No.
Oh, that was fun. Steve?
You guys are crazy.
Dave, your time.
Steve. Get him! I don't know. You could probably go up that way. Oh, wow.
Could just fall to the floor.
What the fuck? Why are you in best shape?
Go on, dude. You fucking lost it.
I lost it.
Yeah.
It's not in here?
No, remember it was up in the cabinet.
Oh, it was.
And then you took it to go fucking fire Nancy.
Oh,
And
hold
you
on.
didn't bring it back. We're filming. You're gonna get fired too.
Is there a hole puncher in this drawer here? One of these drawers, is there a hole puncher?
It's got a pink handle.
You're gonna get fired for losing the whole bucket.
Yeah.
Right there. Is he firing you?
I guess. Not sure why.
How you get fired on your first day?
It's my second.
It's his first week.
What?
Whatever.
Oh no, your first week was up yesterday.
Why?
You gotta put your name on there.
No.
Yeah.
Why?
Tyrone. Put Tyrone on there.
Why'd I get fired?
Insubordination.
What does that mean? Define that.
You weren't doing what you're supposed to.
Like what?
This.
No.
Fucking talking back now.
Where's your card?
My car's been punched many times.
Keep punching it.
No,
I ain't
you get
scared.
to the 10th time, you gotta go buy ice cream for everybody.
That's fine. Dairy Queen's cheap, buddy.
No, not Dairy Queen.
What day is everybody off?
The
Wednesday.
Haagen-Dazs.
Hagen. The Hagen dogs.
Yep. Monday morning is when you buy ice cream.
What was the first one for?
Insubordination.
Why?
Talking back now.
No.
You want to question my authority? Where's yours, Doogie?
What am I getting fired
For
for?
losing, not putting my shit back to where it's supposed to be.
Where's yours?
Doogie's daily shop life. Wiring.
Yep.
The scam bus on the old Audi.
Because we need networked wipers.
Networked wipers.
Yeah.
All this fancy German junk.
Yeah. Maybe it's not.
What?
Yeah.
Maybe not. No, it says they flash it from the. Okay. Yeah, I don't see any extra
You
stickers.
flash it like this?
What are you recording Doogie for?
Daily shop life. Doogie doesn't do his own videos.
This is true.
What are we fixing?
Steven's fuck up.
Steven.
Yeah.
This Steven. So that everybody knows. He buys shit like this.
Yeah. I'm the bad guy here, and I'm like never buy. I fell for the carbon fiber.
Yeah, you don't buy this stuff.
Well, I did.
Nancy's leaving.
Pretty smooth, yeah.
See ya.
Steven is not working on what he's supposed to be.
He sells his car, thinks he's done.
How many? One a month? Or a week?
Not pointing fingers at anybody, but
One a day.
One a day. One a day.
One a day would be alright.
Yeah, we'd be rich.
Then I'd have to work on more shit like this.
And
Like, that was not too bad. It's a clusterfuck, but it was Doogie's fault.
It's the Farben Kyber.
The Farben Kyber.
that. Seriously, I popped the hood and saw that in the downpipe, and I was like, I'm buying it.
Sold.
And then I launched it at like 4,000 RPM, and it was fun. So,
Yeah, so the fix for the wipers is,
That's why the wipers don't fucking work now.
as per Greg's suggestion, we're gonna put a string on here so the passenger can operate them at their discretion.
Yeah. It's not supposed to freely just do that.
I know, right?
Almost like the motor is like stripped off.
Oh, now they're
Stuck.
thanks, Loveland Ford.
No, thanks, Steve, for buying.
Thanks, Steve.
You're welcome.